Hey, Cringeteers. Today I will be showing y'all how to make a simple and easy way to make a paper airplane. And for this, all you'll need is origami skills, just a little bit, and then piece of paper. Doesn't matter what kind, construction paper, printer paper is what I will be using today, or even notebook paper. Doesn't really matter. So what you are going to have to start off by doing is you are going to take this corner and fold it in to about the middle, increase like that. Exact same thing on the other side, guys. Exact same. When you're done, it will look pretty close or exactly like this. And the side with the flaps is going to be facing up. And so then this crease, you have to fold it in. And then crease. And if I am going too fast, just go back a few seconds and just keep going over what you got lost on. And then what you're gonna need to do is take about an inch or inch and a half, or about 2 inches, depending on how big you want your wings to be, and then fold it, and then crease it, and do the exact same measurement pretty much on the other side, guys. Right now we are making our wings. This is what you should have so far. Both sides. And then you just take them and flap them up like this. And there you have it, guys. You just made a paper airplane. And you can like decorate it, color it, whatever you want to do. So yeah. This is one that I have already designed and colored. See, got that, my logo. So, like, you know what I mean? And then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and that will be